guys, welcome to Gelo'S World. For today's video, we will unbox the toys that we bought from our previous video. We will go open this one first. Okay, here we go, open it. Wait, how do I open this? I need scissors. Do you have any scissors? I need scissors. Thank you for helping.
An eternity later.
Oh, there's plasticins. Here is it. Here is it, guys. And then, oh, can this one lift? This is cool. This can get marbles, guys. Let's go test out this one. Can get the marbles. I'm gonna go get the marbles. Wait. Here, I bought 2 marbles. Oh, he can carry them and he can lift them up. This one is some other cars, and then I like it. Okay, I'm gonna remove these marbles. The next we'll open this. Okay, let's go open this. We have this ramp, we have this gasoline, we have this thing, and then we have another new one. And this one. Does this goes like, how does this goes? Like this. Wait, Ate Nini. Is it supposed to be like this? I think it's not. Oh, baliktad pa sa mga. Ito's baliktad. Here is the other one. Tow truck. Okay. Here is a big party for the elevator. So guys, we will go follow the instructions. First, it says we need this big piece. Let's go move this because I don't have enough space. Let's move them. There. Move them. It says we need this gray piece. Wait. Which way? This way. Right here. So to right here. Then put one right here, and then it should be snapping in right now. There. It's tidy up. The next, I need another. These two. So it doesn't look nice before. Oh, it wasn't tight. Right here. The next. Here. Here. And the next I think this one right here. Wait, no. Here. And the next, I need this thing right here. I think this way. I don't know which way, guys. I think I'll keep it. So this way. This way it says. Put this reading there. And then let's go to the next page. Oh. It's okay. Next is yes, I already did. Next, we need to put on this red thing on top, and then it says that it will snap. So okay, I hope sure it will snap, guys. Oh. Yes, that's already here. This one. Oh. This one. Guys, help me. This is hard to snap in this side.
Okay, I'll help you.
Oh, I already. It's already.
Better? No, it should fit.
The wall. Oh, me. These walls are tapping in. Now I have to snap this back in. I'm not putting it. That's its own.
Okay, I'll hold here.
Thank you, Adi. There. Much. Is it better, guys?
I think you need to fix this one.
It's okay. It's okay if it's stopping it. It's fine. Okay. So, what's next? We should put this. Which one? This one. Where? It should be right here. It's said. No, not there. This. I don't know. Is it really like this?
You follow the instruction.
I don't know what it is. What? You cannot get inside. You need to just only snap it in. Like that it says. That's on it. It says. That's it. It says to just snap it in. Oh. It's so hard.
Wait, let me try it.
Is it this way? It says only snap it. Oh, no more space. That's it. It says. It's okay. It says. Oh, there. Oh, this is to. I think this should be both. Go snap inside. Snap inside. Uh-oh. Now let's put the final piece. The round. We're finished, guys. And then wait, this way. Okay, there. We're finished. Okay. Who will be our tester? This one. Okay. While he parks there, So now this car goes right here, getting some fuel up. While he does that, this one will go here to be fixed. How to open this? When it goes in there, this guy will have a wash. While they do this guy is done. So he will go up top at the parking. He'll go to number 2 with this guy. While this guy was here, he was done. Then the door closes when he was done repairing. Next, when he gets out, the other one was done getting his wash. Until this guy didn't have enough gasoline to go. So this one got up and tried to save him. So he pushes him to the gasoline. Then he went to the gasoline, then filled up some gasoline. Okay, this one goes up, and then stop, and then this one will go up, then park here, then this guy is done now, ready to go. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!